You know, planting new trees is a great thing to do, but trying to figure out when and how to water them can be a little confusing. So here are some great watering tips just for you. Now, when you're finished planting any plant, water it deeply and thoroughly. Now, this may sound crazy, but do it again the next day. Now you know you've really soaked it. So when do you water it again? Well, as a general rule of thumb, thoroughly water when the root ball gets close to drying out, which means checking the soil moisture to determine how quickly that's going to happen. Watering may be every 2 to 3 days, once a week, once every 10 days, but check to know for sure. Air temperature, soil drainage, root ball size, containers, these are all factors. And don't let rain showers fool you. Always check soil moisture levels before you water. How do you do that? Physically touch the soil, physically dig into the soil, or even easier is to use a moisture meter. Check the immediate root ball, then the surrounding soils. And if it's dry, water. And always water the root ball. The surrounding soil will get the runoff. Stationary sprinklers on low, hose trickling water at the base, and tree bags, which reduce watering times and pinpoints water into the root ball, are all great ways to water. But again, water only is needed, and making sure the root ball gets soaked when you do. This process will go on for the first year, maybe a little bit longer, as your new trees are getting rooted in. You know, moisture meters can be your best friend for both plants in the ground and in containers as well, trying to figure out those moisture levels. Remember, when you water, don't be a water tease. Soak it, let it dry, soak it. Say it, soak it, let it dry, soak it. Now you got it. For more plant information, visit our website, natorp.com.